Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, we're in Wondershare Filmora 14, and they have just had a big update and a big launch. They have brought AI in a big way to Filmora, and I'm going to show you my favorite features. And in this one, I'm going to show you literally how you can take a long video and turn it into vertical and viral ready videos. And we're going to do it with just a couple of clicks. All right, here we go. So I'm logged into Wondershare Filmora 14. Link is in the description below. If you haven't got it, just go ahead and download it. It's free to try. Once you've got it open to here, a lot of people will want to click on new project. I recommend not doing that right away, because what we're going to do is we're going to do smart short clips right here. However, before I click on that, watch this here. If I click on these three dots over here on the right side, look at all of this new content that they've got here. New features. If I click on all, we can click on new features here. Here's just a few of them. Smart short clips. The one I'm going to show you. Smart scene cut. AI video enhancer. AI color palette. There is a lot of new stuff here with their big update. I highly recommend taking a look through it all. But let's go back to what we're doing here. So you can either click on all. You can click on, well, wherever you click on it, just click on smart short clips. This is what we're working with. When you do that, you're going to see this screen here. Now, you can't resize it, so it takes a little bit of getting used to, but you essentially get two options. You can drag and drop in some footage, and then we can work on it that way. Alternatively, you can copy and paste in a video. For example, if you have uploaded a video to YouTube and it's 20 minutes long and it's like a podcast or something like that, and you got multiple people talking, just paste that link right there, and you can start working on it that way. I'm going to go ahead with the drag and drop version, but I want you to know that both options are available. So here we go. Let's go ahead and grab some footage and get cooking. All right, here we are. We've got a blank slate. Let's get cooking. I'm going to grab some footage. I'm going to go into my Finder on a Mac. If you're on a PC, I would use your Explorer. And I've got some Lex Friedman footage here. So I've got a video podcast with him and 4 other people in it. So it's perfect for a long video to be split up into viral vertical video. So you'll see here, I just dragged and dropped it. And presto, we are already on our way. If I want to see what it looks like and sounds like, just hit play.
The user's going to do next.
So there you go. We've already loaded it up there. You can see what we got going on here. It's 4 minutes, 9 seconds. So it's not too long. I don't like to upload really, really long clips at a time because, I don't know, just it takes a while. So I like to do it in short snippets. Now, on the right side, this is what matters. We're going to go ahead and select our language. We're going to go ahead and select English, United States version. And then here, this is very important. You can see the duration. You can set it to auto, or if you kind of know what kind of size snippets you're looking for, you can go ahead and select that. Now, I like to do 30 to 60 seconds. And the reason why I do that is because YouTube Shorts and TikToks generally can't go over 60 seconds. I don't think they can in any case, actually. So they're 60 seconds capped. So if you do 30 to 60, you're always safe. And then here we go. A little bit below that, you'll see we can select a theme. Now you can select auto, and then when we click on auto, or we just move down here, you'll see it selected this type of style. And it's a great style, but in this case, I'm going to click on video podcast because this is a video podcast. And when you do that, you'll see down here, we've got some other templates available. I really like this one here, and I actually like that one too. But they're all really, really nice, so you can go ahead and select whatever style works for you. I'm going to select multiplayer variety show because I like that. When I hover over it, you'll see here that it's got some stickers. It's even got a little bit of like some, subscribe and stuff like that. Some audio, some stock B-roll footage in there that it will select from potentially. So it's just basically like a pre-built package. Keep in mind that you are never stuck with anything. So if you want to edit it or change it, you can do that. I will show that to you. But anyways, let's just keep going here. So we've got our template. We've got our style. Let's go ahead and click on generate. When I do that, you'll see it takes a few seconds. It's gone ahead and started doing the language detection. It's English. So there we go. So it's updating, uploading. I'm going to come back when it's done. It takes a few seconds to run this. And then I'm going to show you the next steps, how we're going to edit it and turn it into awesome, potentially viral footage. All right, back in a second. All right, welcome back. So we've gone ahead and run it. And here's what we got. This is why it's so good. You'll see here that we got not one video, but we got the first one here. We got a second one, we got a third one, we got a fourth one. They're all in vertical format. They have the style, the template that we had applied earlier that I showed you. It had stickers and voices. It's all applied. It's a little bit smaller, so I'll zoom in. But watch this. I'll hit play.
Just to like sort of linger on that.
That is perfect. That is exactly like every TikTok video. that goes viral. That's exactly the format and the style that it uses. Now, if you like one or all of them, there's a few things you can do here. The first one is you can go ahead and rename it. You're never stuck. The one thing I really like about Filmora 14 is if you like it, but maybe you want to make some changes to it, you can always make changes. So here, if I wanted to change the name of this, I could go ahead and do that. If I wanted to just export this as is and just upload it without making any changes to it, I just click this export button. It's done. I basically made one video already into 5 separate videos in just one click. So that's the other example here. You can select AI speech enhancement. Now, Lex Friedman has a very good voice, so you don't really need to do that, but it's good to know that that's available if you needed it. And then if you wanted to make some changes, like you can listen to it, watch this.
Generate code.
Generate code. So if I wanted to go in here and just start making some changes to the wording, like it says here, generate code, you can go ahead in and just start making changes if you want. You would just want to click on this edit button here. And then, look, just so many different things that you can do here. So here we go. Let's go ahead and just click on edit. Why not? Let's go ahead and let's load now the editor. So now we've taken this short clip. Like I said, you can use it as is, or we can start making edits to it. We can do some changes to it. And now I'm going to show you this. It's very easy, very quick. Let me show you how to do that. All right, so here we are. It has loaded up the editor, but here's the thing. It's done almost all, if not all of the hard work for us. If I just pull this out here and make it a little bigger to show you what we got, maybe I'll turn the volume down a bit here. Let's hit play and watch this.
Just like sort of linger on that. Generate code.
Perfect.
Fill empty space. Also edit code.
That is perfect, guys. That is absolutely amazing. Now, here's the thing. If it gets a word wrong, or if it gets something out of, maybe you want to add in something, or you want some background music, again, you have access to the full editor. You can go ahead and do that. I can pull here. I'll just pull this through the timeline here. This says here also edit code. So I could click on this here, for example, and if one of these words was not correct, I could remove it. I could change it. I could just get rid of it like that. Look at this here. Let's just go ahead and do that. Yeah, you see, it's even updating it in real time. Wild stuff. Also, we'll go a little further here. You'll see here this little orange or this little peach color thing. That is an emoji. So it's got an emoji or a sticker, I suppose you'd call it. So we can go ahead and take those out. We can add new ones in here. Listen to this. Watch this. It adds in a sound effect for us right here. If we wanted to change it, if we wanted to make it a little quieter. Again, this can go right into the entire Filmora 14 editor. There's a ton of things you can do here, but you're literally, it's literally one click and done. Guys, if you want to keep it, just go up here to the top right, click on export. Make sure that you're exporting it in the 916 format. It will do it automatically, but you can override it. And here you go, guys. This is it in a nutshell. This is how you can take one regular YouTube video or one vertical video or one widescreen video, pardon me, and turn it into multiple vertical, potentially viral videos. You can increase the number of views on your channel. You can increase engagement, increase the number of comments, subscribers, all of that stuff with one click. Guys, this is good stuff. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.